And here is number 2 on our checklist. I have decluttered my house and taken away all personal items so that buyers can see it as their home. People are judgmental and sometimes crazy, right? Buyers can walk into your home and see something that you think is just beautiful, treasured, amazing, but a buyer, they may scream and say, "What is that?" And if that happens, they literally can't see anything else around them. They get hung up. They may even begin to call your house the crazy house and then scratch it off their list, even though it might be the one house that would make the most sense for their family. I've just seen it happen too many times. Like the story I told you last week about the buyer who noticed a smell in the bathroom only to find an alligator in the bathtub. Think they bought that house? Probably not. So let's declutter your home of all alligators and other personal items so that buyer can imagine it as their home and not be shocked by anything they see. All right, let's move on to the next item.